Crypto promised us freedom. No banks, no middlemen, just you, your wallet, and the future of money. But the truth? It's not that simple. Most people jump into crypto chasing hype, not knowledge. They see someone make millions from a meme coin and think, I'll get rich too. So they buy in, usually when the price is already sky high. Then the market crashes, they panic sell, and they call crypto a scam. But the problem isn't crypto, it's how people use it. Real investors take the time to learn. They study charts, follow news, and understand what they're putting their money into. They don't gamble, they calculate. They survive the dips and thrive in the bull runs. And let's talk about scams. In 2025, crypto scams are more advanced than ever. Fake airdrops, phishing links, deepfake influencers, one wrong click, and your entire wallet is gone. You'll never get it back. If someone asks for your seed phrase, it's a scam. Always. Real platforms will never ask for your private keys. Then there are rug pulls. New projects launch with fancy websites and viral marketing. People FOMO in, and suddenly boom, the devs disappear. The liquidity vanishes. The chart drops to zero. Your money? Gone. Always research before you invest. Check if liquidity is locked, if the team is doxed, if the community is real. Crypto isn't magic money. It's a tool, powerful and dangerous. You can build wealth or lose everything. The difference is what you know and how you act. So, before you buy that next token, stop and ask yourself, do I really understand this project? Or am I just following hype? Stay smart, stay safe, and never invest in what you don't understand. Like and subscribe if you want more real crypto talk, not hype, just truth.